It's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be doing a work from home makeup tutorial, and this was requested by @TrixieShay_ via Instagram DM. So thank you @TrixieShay_ for requesting this video. So most of us are working from home right now. I wanna know, comment down below kung sino yung nag-work from home and kung sino yung chill lang this quarantine season. I wanna make this video for you guys because, you know, kahit nag-work from home tayo, we still wanna look good, especially pag nagsa-Skype call tayo with our clients. By the way guys, nakapag-skincare na ako off-cam, and also guys, make sure na nakapag-sunscreen kayo. Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, kailangan nyo mag-sunscreen. So for my base makeup, I am gonna be using Everbelena Advances BB Foundation Stick. This is in the shade Oriental, okay? So I need to say something about this foundation, guys, or this BB foundation stick. I included this in my anong video nga yun? Pero in-include ko tong BB stick na to sa isa kong video na I said na this is the product that you'll never see me wearing again. Okay, so I said that, and I think I'm gonna have to take it back. Yes, because I don't know, for some reason, my skin has been drier than usual. Like, it is dry. And when I use matte foundations, nagpa-patchy siya, na it's just so difficult to apply. So, I couldn't find a good foundation lately na would really match my current skin state. Kasi yung balat ko ngayon, parang naging dry siya more than ever. Hindi ko gets. Especially dito sa under eye area ko. Before, I wouldn't grab this foundation kasi napaka-greasy niya on my skin. And I really don't recommend this for people who have oily skin. I went back to using this and maganda siya on my skin. It worked well. Parang mas naging dewy yung skin ko. So first, I'm gonna be applying it on areas na dry. So usually dito sa under eye area ko. Ayan. And then sa mga parts na may blemishes. And then dito din also kasi I get redness here a lot. I don't really do like the dragging, drawing motion, but I do like the parang, ayan, kita nyo, it's just soft taps. And I don't apply foundation here kasi yung forehead ko, parang even naman yung skin tone niya and wala namang blemishes, so I don't feel the need to apply foundation here. And then, I am gonna be grabbing multi-use buffing brush. Again, hindi na I think available to sa Philippines kasi wala na I think next. Comment down below if you are the sponge kind of girl or if you are brush kind of girl. This foundation looks so good on my skin. So yun guys, if you feel like yung matte foundation nyo hindi na nag-work sa skin niyo and you feel like parang may separation yun, when you look closely sa mirror, yung skin nyo and yung foundation, parang may separation. Parang may parts na nag-crease, like micro creases, or it looks cakey, or basta may separation lang, then it's time that you change your foundation into something that is more dewy. Alright, so next is I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush. So, I have dry skin, so kaya nga nag-change ako ng foundation ko kasi medyo dry yung skin ko. So, I don't apply powder blushes. Ang dami sa inyo guys nagre-request nga sa akin na gumawa ako ng powder blush videos. Kaso, I just don't have a lot of powder blush recommendations because I barely use powder blushes because I'm not the type of powder blush girl kasi I have dry skin, so I don't really use like a lot of powder on my skin. It's just not me. So, yung may recommend ko, like, go to your girl, Tony Sia. Siya talaga yung blush queen. Powder blush queen. So, if you want blush powder recommendations, pumunta kayo sa channel ni Tony Sia. Like, yung nakita ko, guys, yung blush collection niya, sabi ko talaga, grabe. As in, grabe yung experience niya when it comes to powder blushes. So since hindi ako ma-powder blush, given my skin type, I'm gonna be using Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in the shade Girl Crush. So this is what I'll be using on my cheeks. I don't apply it directly on my skin, you can do it. But ako, I don't apply it directly on my skin. Mas gusto ko siyang ina-apply with a blush brush kasi mas soft yung effect niya on my skin. What I do is I pick up the product like this. Ayan. And then after that, guys, of course, I set my face and I use Bench Beauty's Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Fair. Ayun nga, so since I have a medyo dry skin, so I really use like very minimal lang na powder. As much as possible, yung powder lang na ginagamit ko is yung pang-set ko na powder. And then after that, guys, of course, it's kilay time. And yung favorite ko ngayon na pang kilay is yung Issey & Co. Brow Refiner. This is in the shade Brown. So, the reason why I like this so much because napaka-efficient niya. So, what's nice about this brow refiner, guys, is napaka-beginner friendly niya. As in, kasi merong brow gels out there na ang hirap siyang i-apply. Even for me na kahit medyo may experience na ako with makeup, medyo tricky i-apply yung ibang brow gels. But this type of brow gel, guys, napaka-beginner friendly niya talaga. So right now, guys, I'm gonna be curling my lashes and applying mascara. So my curler is from Boktoh. So this is for 400 pesos. I got it sa Landmark Makati. I know it's expensive, 400 pesos for a lash curler. Pero napaka-worth it niya for me kasi it gives this like perfect fanned out curls. As in, napakaganda ng curl na binibigay niya. And also, this mascara, yung Lash Paradise, matibay talaga tong mascara na to. So, I just couldn't bring myself to find any more mascaras or ayoko na mag-try ng iba pang mascara, guys. Kasi eto lang talaga yung nag-work for me. Kitang-kita talaga, guys, na parang mas na alive yung eyes ko, diba? And that's because of your mascara. Lastly, for the lips, I'm gonna be using the same lip product that I used earlier, which is yung Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in the shade Girl Crush. So I'm not gonna be applying it like heavily on my lips. Like, I'm not gonna be swiping it, but I am gonna be dabbing it. So important na mag-lip color tayo, guys. Kasi para para may color or life naman yung face natin. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung skin ko, or tingnan nyo naman yung face ko ngayon. It looks so pale, and our clients might think, or our boss might think na we're sick. And I chose this shade, guys, because it's a fresh shade, pero it still suits the Filipinas as well. It still suits our skin color. Hindi siya yung intimidating na kind of pink. Mag-work siya sa mga mestizas and mag-work din siya sa mga morenas. I'm just gonna lightly, then I just press my lips together to, and if I feel like konti yung color, then I add some more. Ayan. Ayan. So if you're wondering how I got my hair, it looks so bouncy right now. I didn't have to curl my hair. So for my hair recommendation, guys, pwede kayo mag-hair down. I achieved this hair, guys, not by blow drying it, but I actually just used my pencil. Ayan. And I left it on for hours. And ginanyan ko lang siya, guys. Ayan. I left it like that for hours. You can also tie up your hair kasi when you tie your hair, mas less yung distraction. Pero if sanay naman kayo na hair down and hindi naman siya sa bagal pag nag-work kayo, it looks better, guys, pag nag-meeting kayo because you look more professional. And make sure, guys, yung top ninyo is professional din. Huwag kayo mag-sleeveless. So like right now, I'm wearing a turtleneck top. So you don't have to wear turtlenecks, but at least professional looking yung yung top ninyo. So alam natin, 'di ba, na top lang yung concern natin. Yung bottoms natin, pwede tayo mag-underwear. Pwede na tayo magpambahay, shorts, joggers, whatever you want. Whatever is comfortable. Yung important lang naman is yung nakikita sa screen, yung nakikita ng clients. Right now, guys, don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Don't you close this tab kasi hindi tayo tapos. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be hopping on my webcam to check ko if webcam worthy naman yung face ko and if maganda yung register sa camera or sa webcam camera. So, ayun guys, ito yung register ng look ko through the webcam naman. So, I switched to a webcam kasi syempre, iba naman yung effect pag sa professional camera and iba naman yung effect ng look pag nasa webcam talaga. Pero guys, magdadepende pa rin yung rehistro ng face nyo or ng look ninyo. Depende sa lighting ninyo. So, right now, I have a light setup. Hindi nyo naman kailangan guys na may ring light kayo, may light setup talaga kayo pag nag-work from home kayo. You don't need that. All you need is your lamp. So, for example, if you have this kind of lamp na nasa likod ko, you can bring this and just light up your face para mas clear and hindi grainy yung itsura nyo. Or you can position yourself sa area na may sunlight, may direct sunlight. So make sure guys, pag nagme-meeting kayo, may ilaw talaga, hindi low light. Basta enough lang yung light para maging professional naman tingnan so that your clients will be able to see you well. So that's it for this work from home makeup tutorial. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if meron pa kayong makeup or beauty questions, then don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbabooya. Again, if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.